If you clicked on this video, you're most likely a single parent, a single mom or a single dad. Now, I'm going to tell you the easiest and possibly the best way in terms of making passive income for you, like right away, right off the bat, so you make money very quickly, and you could just accumulate hundreds of dollars basically per day with this method. And so as a single parent, I know it's extremely hard to take care of kids and possibly even have another job at the same exact time. This side hustle can actually turn into a full-time passive income source for you and can accumulate possibly hundreds of dollars a day. But before I get into it, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more. So if you clicked on this video, you're most likely a single parent. You don't have the time to do another job or another side hustle, let's just say. So what you're going to do is start a print-on-demand business. Now, this could either be making stickers or possibly even shirts or both. In my opinion, this is probably the best way to accumulate the most amount of sales and possibly even accumulate about $100,000 per year, depending on how much you upload to this particular site. Now, what you're going to want to do is open an Etsy account and also an eBay account as well. There are other ways to do this also by having a Merch by Amazon account, which also work very well, but we're going to just utilize Printful in this video and how to sell off of this particular site and connect it with Etsy and eBay. You can also connect this with Shopify also, but we're just going to stick to Etsy and eBay for right now because this is the quickest way to accumulate a bunch of money as a single parent. So now, I have a link to tutorial in the description below of how to start an Etsy shop, but if you already have an eBay shop, also get started with this. Now, this is going to be focused on Printful. So basically, print on demand, basically you have a series of graphic designs that you can even just use Canva to do. You can even use Canva to create the designs for you. So Canva, all you need to do is just go on the site. It's extremely easy to just make graphic designs and then post them on Printful, and then you can connect your Printful store to eBay and Etsy, Shopify, and so on. So once those designs are already up on Etsy and eBay, all that happens is the customer clicks on the item, purchases, let's just say the sticker or the shirt from you, and at a very high margin, you accumulate a bunch of money through this sales funnel. So Printful makes it extremely easy to just upload your design, and then all you need to do is just connect your stores, let's just say eBay and Etsy, and then it goes up on the site right away. And you can charge as much as you want to sell your particular items like a sticker or a shirt, and you will get sales if you upload, products that people actually want, of course. That's always the number one rule when we're talking about selling anything across the entire web. Printful makes it extremely easy. So I have a tutorial also that's coming up in just a bit of how to use Printful, and it's really just an excellent tool for you to use and really get started with. And of course, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create these graphic designs in Canva, which is not going to take that long. Canva makes it extremely easy for you to create particular designs or products that you can upload to Printful, and then from Printful to Etsy and eBay as well. And I know this may seem like a lot of work. Now, don't get me wrong, it's going to take a little bit of effort at first, but once you already have the designs on eBay and Etsy, they're up there forever. And so basically what happens is when the customer purchases an item, let's just say on eBay and Etsy, then you just keep on making money and the wheels keep on turning for you in terms of the customer buying the particular product. Because you're making money on the side in terms of passive income without you doing any sort of work after you upload the designs to the particular site, like on Printful, that goes to eBay and Etsy. That's all that happens. That's it. And I know it may sound like a lot, but trust me, it's not that much. And so here is how to use Printful right now. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is go to printful.com, and you can sign up right here on Facebook, sign up with Google, or sign up with Apple, or you can also sign up with your email. So you're going to click that one right there. That's the one I would personally recommend. You're going to put your full name, email, and then make a password. And what you're going to say is, I agree to Printful's terms of service and privacy policy. And once you have made your account, you're going to see the dashboard right here on the side. So what it says is My Printful, orders, product templates, file library, stores, branding, billing, statistics, warehouse, affiliate. Here are the most important things to know. Orders, right there. What are the orders that are coming in? You're going to take a look right here. Now, of course, on this dummy account that I just made just now, there's no orders here, but on my main account, there are literally thousands of orders that appear right here with all of the information that you need. Product templates right here. So basically you can edit templates for your designs. File library. There's not going to be anything here because I just made this Printful account just for this video here, and it has all my file libraries right here. So basically all you have to do is just put in a new file. You just click that. You can also drag and drop your files right to this place right here. And you can also use sample files. So you can also connect to stores. So this is extremely important. You see, you choose your store's platform. So you see it says Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, and a whole bunch more. And then it also includes eBay, TikTok, Amazon. There are so many platforms that you can choose from. And so you can connect your Etsy shop, which just takes a few minutes. And also they give you the full tutorial of how to connect your Etsy shop right here if you need to know all that information. But basically you can just click connect to Etsy, and all you need to do is just allow access to your Etsy shop, and that's all you need to do to connect your account with Printful. And so once you connect your account, then basically, as it says right here, assign products and upload print files, and that's it. You just upload print files, and then you make the particular items for your website, for your Etsy shop or your Shopify store, and so on and so forth, and you are ready to go. It's just that simple. And so, as I said, you can also choose others as well, like Squarespace, BigCommerce, Amazon, and so many more. Big Cartel right there, eBay as well, and you can also do ShipStation, Store Envy. There's just so many to choose from too, and you can also choose to put all of your items in every single one of these too. Now, branding. You can also pick how you're going to have custom packaging inserts. So basically you can have the most beautiful packaging that Printful can design for you, which is really great in terms of branding. And you can also have inside and outside label printing that Printful will actually design for you. You can have custom notes right there, like little thank you cards, side and back embroidery for hats as well that can have your brand name on it. And so this is extremely important if you want to really expand your brand and have more people know exactly who they're getting the item from. And so now let's click my Printful right there, and let's take a look at all of the items. So as you can see, we have t-shirts, hats, mugs, and a bunch of other things to choose from. So let's just take a look at this Bella Canvas shirt that you could be selling yourself. You see how many colors that this item has. It has a ton of colors for you to choose from. For instance, it has a bunch of reviews that you can also take a look at as well, where a lot of people are raving about this particular product. And there are other products as well that you can also choose from when we're dealing with Printful as well, such as this glossy mug. Now, there are a ton of other items as well, such as stickers too that you could choose from. So you could see right here, we have a bunch of items like the enamel mug, the white ceramic, the wine tumbler. Look how many items you could sell right here. Water bottles, coffee mugs, tumblers, coasters, postcards, notebooks, fabrics, towels, pet products as well. Take a look at this. You can have engraved pet ID tags or bandanas as well. You can also be selling eco-friendly products. In terms of men's clothing, you could have t-shirts, all over shirts, polos, tank tops, 3/4 sleeves, long sleeves, embroidered shirts, and a bunch more. Jackets and vests too that you can design as well right here. So many items to choose from. Denim jackets, Champion packable jackets, windbreakers. Take a look at that one. That's really a bestseller right there. Also, bomber jackets are really fantastic depending on the season. We also have Letterman jackets, which are even better. We have bomber jackets as well right there. Just so many to choose from right here. We also have bottoms, underwear, leggings, shorts, pants, sweatpants, and joggers. Now, for women's clothing, what we have is sport bras, swimwear, and we also have t-shirts as well for ladies also. And we have leggings, skirts, shorts, pants, and more. Kids and youth clothing. I mean, look how many items that you could choose from. It's really great. It's really a great tool. Printful is to sell products from and choose from as well. So take a look at this also. They have canvas prints, posters, frame posters, flags, metal prints, and so much more. I want to take a look at these canvas prints for all you artists out there as well. Take a look at this. We have a thin canvas with all these styles to choose from, 24 by 36, 12 by 12s. And we look at this one also. Wow. I mean, this is really great. These are relatively new. I don't remember even seeing these. Yeah, they are new right there, it says on Printful. So that's just really great that they have this to choose from, all these particular items. We have flags, Also for like sporting events, tailgating, puzzles. Take a look at this too. We have make your own jigsaw puzzle at $15.95. You can have a markup about $30 you could sell those for. You could be making around $15 per puzzle that you sell. Really a great markup on some of these items. We have beanbag covers, pillow cases and pillows, coffee mugs, other ones that you can have a really great markup also. Let's take a look at this. So you have a regular glossy mug, $8.95. You could sell those for $19.99 or even more. Also $24.99 for a lot of brands out there also. And take a look at this also. The white glossy mug is only at $7.95, and you could be selling these for $7.90, or I should say $20 or even more than that. And we have holiday decor, wooden ornaments. You could be customizing these wooden ornaments, and you could be making like, way more. I could tell you that much from $7.95. Really just so many items to choose from, and it's really just awesome that Printful has all these choices for you as well. We have also aprons, and the list goes on and on. You can connect all of these items. So let's just say you want to sell an apron. Click on the apron right there, and you see we only have two colors for you to choose from. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click start a new order, and then you press basic order, create order right there. And then right here, you drag and drop your design. You can also add text, add a file, add clip art. So you want to just have a little clip art just for the sake of this video. Obviously, it may not show up because it is a black shirt, but you get the idea. If we just press white right there. All right, so we're all set to go. Press continue, and it's ready to go and ready to be sold. And so really just a fantastic tool that you can use when we're talking about Printful. It's extremely easy to just go on Printful and design these things for yourself, whether that's on t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and a bunch more. There's a bunch of things that you could sell yourself while using Printful. And so that's it. And you can be making upwards of over $100,000 per year if this is done correctly. Realistically, right off the bat, you could probably see returns of about $20,000 per year. Now, once you really understand the business of how to really make shirts and make graphic designs, then that's where the growth starts. That's when you can be making 30, 40, 50,000, and then so on as the years go on. It's just a business. That's just how things work in terms of business. You're going to expect growth. If you just keep on learning and keep on understanding how to do something, then you can always expect growth if you put in the time and effort of learning how to sell, let's just say, shirts or stickers or both, let's just say. And so that's it. That's how you make money as a single parent on the side while you're taking care of your kid. And like I said, it's all passive income. It's great. It's extra money in your pocket. So thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.